In this video, let me show you how to fix WhatsApp video call failed. Now this happens for a couple of reasons. Let me show you the couple of steps that you can follow. The first thing that you need to make sure is that if you have a stable internet connection. So you can try opening up other applications and try to see if your internet connection is really working. You can also try switching between networks, such as from your Wi-Fi and to your cellular data. The second thing that you need to make sure that if the camera is allowed inside of WhatsApp. So to do that, what you can simply do is tap and hold the app of WhatsApp and then head over to this eye icon. From this settings page, you'll be able to see the option called permissions. You can just tap on this option and make sure that the camera is set to allow. If this is not set to allow, your WhatsApp won't be able to use your phone's camera. The other thing that you can also check out is if there are any new updates available. So just head out of this setting and then head over to the Play Store, search for WhatsApp, and if you do see new updates available, make sure you update the application. Updating apps helps to fix any sort of bugs which may be causing this issue. Also, what you can try out is try to restart your phone. So you can just tap and hold the power button on your phone and then simply restart it. What you can also try out is try to uninstall the app of WhatsApp from your phone and then again re-download it. All of these things ensure that any sort of bugs or glitches which might be causing the issue will be now fixed. If this guide video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe. That's going to be all for this one. I'll see you in the next video.